Contractors today face a challenging landscape of risks. Project teams need to validate completion of work, ensuring that the client accepts the deliverables and is satisfied. Project documents and correspondence should be preserved in the event of future litigation or dispute. The use of non-integrated apps and paper-based processes creates complexity for those tasked with collecting and collating project documents. An audit trail of who did what and when, as well as a complete history of correspondence pertaining to individual documents, is often key to successfully defending in the event of dispute. Contractors who have a heavy reliance on email as a means of communication will struggle to locate and preserve project communications. This is made even harder as team members start to transition to the next project. Viewpoint Team is the solution contractors have been waiting for. A collaborative web and mobile project management solution that's cloud-based and connects the back office with field operations and the extended project team. Viewpoint Team's closeout feature allows for the easy export of project documents, comments, and history for sharing or for archiving on your corporate network. The generated zip file includes all of the selected work item attachments with full history of edits, status changes, and views to documents that protect against future issue or litigation. In addition to closeout, Viewpoint Team includes a robust toolset consisting of RFIs, submittals, and more, including powerful operational reporting capabilities that surface job financial information directly from Vista and Spectrum. From operational reporting to closeout, Viewpoint Team helps project teams successfully manage projects to completion.